Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss previous year's questions of chapter 12 areas related to circles. So let us start. See the first question. It is given that ABCD is a square with side 14 cm. Semicircles are drawn with each side of square as the diameter. We have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so this is a square A, B, C, D, and semicircles are drawn in the square with diameter as the side of the square. Okay, and side of the square is given to be 14 cm. Now you have to find the area of the shaded region. Now let us name this point as O, okay, and this region as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we need to find area of the shaded region. First of all, let us find area of the square. Okay, so side is given to be 14 cm. So area of square, it is square of side, that is square of 14, that is 196 cm. Square is the area of the square ABCD. Now see the figure. If you subtract area of this semicircle DOC and area of semicircle AOB from the area of square, then you will get region 4 and region 2. Okay, if you subtract this area and this area from area of square, you will get area of region 4 and area of region 2. Similarly, if you subtract area of semicircle DOA and area of semicircle COB from area of square, you will get region 1 and 3. Okay, so as all the semicircle are made from same diameter, that is they will have the same radius, so we will find out area of these two regions and double the area, so we will get total area of the shaded region. So let us do area of semicircle DOA is equal to, what is the area of semicircle DOA? The diameter is 14 cm, that is the side of the square, so radius will be 7 cm. So area of semicircle DOA is, what is the formula? Pi r square upon 2 and radius is 7, so 22 by 7. It is given that use the value of pi as 22 by 7. So we are using that 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 1 by 2. So 77 cm square is the area of semicircle DOA. Similarly, area of semicircle COB will also be 77 cm because radius is same. So this is equal to area of semicircle COB. Now area of region 1 and 3. Okay, it is area of square minus area of semicircles. Which semicircles? Area of semicircles DOA and COB. So it is 196 minus area of semicircle DOA and COB, it is same 77 plus 77. So it is 196 minus 154, that is 42 centimeters square. Okay, so this is area of region 1 and 2. Now similarly, area of region 4 and 2 will be also 42 centimeters. So total area of shaded region is 42 into 2, that is 84 centimeter square, and this is your answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. In this question, this figure is given here. APD is a semicircle having a radius of 14 centimeter. Okay, having a diameter of 14 centimeter. And semicircle BRC is having a diameter of 7 centimeter, and AQB and CSD are the semicircles having the diameter of 3.5 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the shaded region. So it is very clear from the figure that in order to find the area of the shaded region, we will find area of semicircle BRC plus area of semicircle APD minus area of semicircle AQB and area of semicircle CSD. So you will subtract area of these two small semicircles from area of this and this semicircle. Okay, so and diameter is given, so we can find out the radius, and we just need to apply the formula. So if diameter of semicircle APD is 14 centimeter, so radius is 7 centimeter. Let it be R1. Radius of this will be, of the small circles, let it be R2, will be 3.5 upon 2 centimeters, and radius of semicircle BRC will be 7 by, let it be R3, will be 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, now let us put the formula. Area of shaded region, it is area of semicircle APD plus area of semicircle BRC minus area of these two semicircles. Area will be same because radius is same, so total area of these two semicircles will be 2 into area of any one of the semicircle. Okay, so it is 2 into area of semicircle AQB. Okay, so now area of semicircle APD formula is pi R1 square by 2 plus area of semicircle BRC, radius is R3, so it is pi R3 square by 2, R3 square by 2 minus 2 into pi, area of semicircle AQB is pi R2 square by 2. Okay, now you just need to put the values and solve. So you can take pi common, pi by 2 common, so take out pi by 2 common, you will get R1 square plus R3 square minus 2 R2 square. Okay, so it is 22 by 7 into 2, and R1 is 7 centimeter, so square of 7 plus R3 is 7 by 2, that is 3.5 square minus 2, and R2 is 3.5 upon 2 square. So you will solve this and you will get the answer as 86.625 centimeter square. Okay, so this was your answer of your second question. Now let's see the third question. In this question, this figure is given and we have to find area of the shaded region. Okay, so from here you can see that this is a square. Let us name it A, B, C, D. Okay, and what is this? This figure is formed from 4 circles. See, this is a circle, this is a circle. These 4 circles are having the same radius. Okay, so this figure is formed like this, and this is a square having a side of 14 centimeter, and this distance is given to be 3 centimeter and this distance is given to be 3 centimeter. Now from here you can see if this is 14 centimeter and this is 3 and 3 centimeter. So what is this distance? This distance would be 14 minus 6, that is 8 centimeters. Okay, now these 2 circles are having the same diameter. So if this is 8 centimeters, so diameter of each of the circle will be 4 centimeter. Okay, and you can construct a square from here. Okay, this is a square, and as it was 8 centimeter, so this is 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So this square will be of side 4 centimeter. Okay, because the diameter of each of the circle is 4 centimeter, and so this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. So this is a square and these 4 are the semicircles. Okay, having a diameter of 4 centimeter. Now in order to find the area of the shaded region, what we will do, we will find out area of square ABC and subtract area of this figure. Now what is the area of this figure? Area of this figure is area of this small square with side 4 centimeter plus area of the 4 semicircles. Okay, so first of all let us find out area of square ABCD. ABCD is the big square. It is side square, side is 14 centimeter. So area is 14 square, that is 196 centimeter square. It is the area of square ABCD. Okay, now area of this figure, area of figure, that is a flower like figure. Okay, so area of this figure is, let us name this figure as P Q R S. Okay, so this is PQRS, this is the figure. Okay, so area of figure PQRS is area of square, small square, plus area of 4 semicircles. Okay, so what is the area of square? Square of the side, that is 4 square, plus area of these 4 semicircles. These 4 semicircles are having the same diameter, that is they will have the same radius. So we will find out area of one semicircle and multiply it with 4. So 4 into pi r square by 2. Okay, so it is 16 plus, we will cancel this, so it is 2 pi, what is r? R will be 2 because diameter is 4 centimeter, so radius will be 2, so it is 2 square. Okay, so on solving, it is 2 square is 4 and 4 into 2 it is 8 pi, and value of pi is given to be 3.14, and this is equal to 16 plus 25.12. Okay, so don't solve it now. Now we have to find area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region is, it is area of square ABCD, that is 196 centimeter square, minus area of the figure PQRS, that is 16 plus 25.12. So it is 196 minus 16 minus 25.12, that is 180 minus 25.12, and that is 154.88 centimeters square. So this is your answer. Now let's see the fourth question. In fourth question, a trapezium ABCD is given, and it is given that AB is parallel to DC, and the length of AB and DC is given to be 18 centimeter and 32 centimeter respectively. We have, and the distance between AB and DC is 14 centimeter. Distance between AB and DC means this height is given to be 14 centimeter. If arcs of equal radii of 7 centimeter have been drawn with centers A, B, C and D, then we have to find the area of the shaded region. It means all these arcs are drawn with same radius of 7 centimeter at angles A, B, C and D of the trapezium, and we need to find area of the shaded region. So clearly it is visible that area of shaded region is area of trapezium ABCD minus area of these arcs or these sectors. Okay, so now what is the formula for finding area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is given by half into height into sum of parallel sides. Okay, so now height is given to be 14 centimeter and the length of two sides is 18 and 32. Sum will be 18 plus 32. So on solving you will get 350 centimeters square as the area of trapezium. Okay, now you need to find area of these sectors. So you know the formula for finding area of sector is pi r square by 360 into theta, but you don't know theta of any of these sectors. Okay, you just know that here theta is angle A, here theta is angle D, here theta is angle B and here it is angle C, but you don't know the value of theta. So let it be, we will just put the formula first of all. Area of the four sectors, it is pi r square by, now r we will radius we will take as r because it is same for all the sectors, pi r square by 360 into angle A plus pi r square by 360 into angle B plus, that is angle A, angle B, they are theta. Okay, pi r square by 360 into angle C plus pi r square by 360 into angle D. Now take pi r square by 360 common and you will get angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Okay, now you know the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, you know this. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be 360 degree. So it is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 upon 360 into 360. Okay, cancel 360 with 360, 7 with 7, you will get answer 154 centimeter square. Now area of shaded region is area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is 350, that is area of trapezium, minus 154, that is area of the 4 sectors, and that is equal to 196 centimeters square, and this is your answer. Now see fifth question. In fifth question, there are 3 semicircles in the figure, PSR, PAQ and QTR. Okay, these 3 are the semicircles having different radius. The radius of semicircle PAQ is given to be diameter of semicircle PAQ is given to be 7 centimeter. Diameter of semicircle QTR is given to be 3 centimeter, and diameter of semicircle PSR is given to be 10 centimeter. We have to find perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so read the statement carefully. Here it is perimeter. Okay, so we have to find perimeter, not area. So perimeter of the shaded region we have to find out. Okay, so what is it? Perimeter is the length of this arc PAQ, okay, plus the length of this arc PSR plus the length of arc QTR. Okay, so what is this length of arc of semicircle? The formula is 2 pi r upon 2. Okay, so because the circumference of, if you complete it, it is a circle, and circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So circumference or the length of arc of semicircle will be half of it, that is 2 pi r upon 2, that is pi r. Okay, so and diameter is given, so we can find out radius. So perimeter of shaded region is equal to length of arc PSR plus length of arc PAQ, okay, plus length of arc QTR. So it is pi r. Okay, and radius of semicircle PSR, its diameter is 10 centimeters, so radius will be 5 centimeters. So it is pi r, that is pi r. Okay, first of all put the formula. Okay, plus pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3. Now r1, that is radius of PSR, is 5, so 5 pi plus radius of PAQ is 7 by 2, that is 3.5 pi plus radius of QTR is 3 by 2, that is 1.5 pi. Okay, so take pi common, add 5 plus 3.5 plus 1.5, you will get it equal to 10. So it is, use pi as 3.14 into 10, that is 31.4 centimeter is your answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. Now see the next question. In this it is given that a semicircle is drawn with O as the center and AB as diameter. Okay, so this is a semicircle with O as the center and AB as the diameter. Semicircles are drawn with OA and OB as the diameters. Okay, so two more semicircles with OA and OB as the diameters are drawn. The length of AB is given to be 28 centimeter and we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So what is the perimeter of the shaded region? Perimeter or the length of arc, let this point be C. Okay, so the length of arc ACB plus length of arc, this be D and this be E. Length of arc ACB plus length of arc ADO plus length of arc BEO. Okay, so this is the total perimeter of the shaded region. Now length of arc of semicircle or circumference of semicircle is pi r, and let us find out the radius. Okay, R1, we have named the radius of semicircle ACB as R1. So R1 is, what is R1? AB is given to be 28 centimeter. Okay, this is 28 centimeter and R1 is half of 28 centimeter, that is 14 centimeter. So R1 is 14 centimeter. R2 is this. If this is 14 centimeter, then R2 is half of 14, that is 7 centimeter. So R2 is 7 centimeter and R3 is also 7 centimeter. So now we know the radius. Now put the formula. Perimeter of shaded region is equal to perimeter of this arc, that is pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3. Okay, so value of pi is to be taken as 22/7. You can take pi common and in the bracket it is r1, that is 14 plus 7 plus 7. So it is 22/7 into 28. So your answer is 88 meters. So I'm sorry, here AB is given in meters, so radius is also in meters. Okay, I'm sorry, I wrote centimeter. So answer is in meters. 88 meters is your answer. Now let's see the next question. In next question it is given that ABC is a triangle right angled at B. AB is given to be 14 centimeter and BC is given to be 24 centimeter. The vertices, with vertices A, B, C as centers, 3 arcs are drawn, each having the radius of 7 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find the area of the shaded region and we have to use pi as 22/7. Now area of shaded region is area of triangle ABC minus area of these 3 sectors. Now these 3 sectors are having the same radius, but we don't know the value of theta. So what we will do, first of all, let us find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle is half into base into height. Now what is the base? It is a right angle triangle, so AB is the height and BC is the base. Okay, so half into AB is given to be 14 and BC is given to be 24. So half into 24 into 14, that is 196 centimeter. Sorry. So it is 12 into 14, that is 168. 168 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Now what is area of the sectors? Area of sectors, we don't know theta, so we will write the angles as it is. Area of sectors is pi r square by 360 into angle A plus pi r square by 360 into angle B plus pi r square by 360 into angle C. So from here we can take out pi r square by 360 common, and in bracket it would be angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Now sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So on adding we will get 180 degree. And the radius is 7 centimeter. So put the values. Pi is to be taken as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 upon 360 into 180. So cancel the terms. You will get 77 centimeter square as the area of sectors. So now area of shaded region, it is equal to area of triangle, that is 168, minus area of the sectors, that is 77. So on subtracting you will get 91 centimeter square as your area of shaded region. Okay. Now in the 8th question it is given that all the vertices of a rhombus lie on the circle. We have to find the area of the rhombus if the area of circle is given to be 1256 centimeter square. So this is a circle and a rhombus is inscribed inside the circle. The vertices of the rhombus lie on the circle. We have to find the area of rhombus, and area of circle is given to be 1256 centimeters. Now first of all let us find out the radius of the circle, because we don't know anything except the area, but using the formula we can find the radius. So area of circle is pi r square and area is given to be 1256. So equate it with pi r square, and value of pi is 3.14. So r square is equal to 1256 upon 3.14. So on solving you will get r, on solving this you will get it 400. Okay, so r is 20 centimeters. So you got the radius now. It means let this point be O. It means OD, OA, OB and OC are 20 centimeters. You know that these BD and AC are the diagonals of the rhombus, and diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. Okay, so if OD, so this DB will be 40 centimeter and this AC will also be 40 centimeter, as these are the diameters of the circle and also the diagonals. So here you get diagonals of rhombus equal to 40 centimeter. So now we have to find the area of the rhombus. There is a formula for finding area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is given by the formula half into d1 into d2. Now what is d1 and d2? d1 and d2 are the diagonals of the rhombus. So, and you know the diagonals are 40 centimeter. So half into 40 into 40 centimeter. So on solving you will get 800 centimeter square as the area of rhombus. Okay, so this is the formula used to find the area of rhombus, and your answer is 800 centimeters. So these were the different types of questions that were asked in previous year's question papers. Moreover, you need to be very thorough with the NCERT exercises in order to solve the question paper. So with this we finished chapter 12, areas related to circles.